Hi, happy flowers! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a beautiful arrangement without using any flowers. I have used rattan balls to make these arrangements. The things I used to make these arrangements are some beautiful colorful wicker balls, a glass vase, and some twigs. I have also used some dried moss and pebbles as fillers for the vase. My twigs were too tall. I don't want them to be too tall, so I have cut my twigs to the 2 times the height of the vase. Now all the materials are ready. Let's start making the arrangement. Clean the vase nicely with a glass cleaner before starting to make the arrangement. I am using pebbles to increase the weight at the bottom so that my tall arrangement will not topple easily. Now insert your twigs. You can even insert the twigs first and then add the pebbles later. The arrangement is really fun and enjoyable. Attach the colorful balls to the twigs using a thin wire. Arrangement is almost ready. Complete your arrangement by adding a beautiful bow at the top. Our arrangement is ready to display now. You can display it in many ways. Now I will show you how to make a horizontal arrangement using the similar materials. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.